Hello, welcome to Aarsun. This is Tanisha Arora. Today I have along with me Ashish Mittal,
Namaskar.
director of Aarsun. And today in this video we will be showing you a bedroom set along with the dressing table, and we'll also have a display unit. And we will know more about this from Ashish ji.
Sure, thanks. First of all, this set is going to USA. And when we talk about US, the size of the bed is different from what we have in India. In India, we have king size, queen size, super king size. In US, we have Eastern King, California King, and this one is Eastern King size.
Okay.
Solid teakwood and a vintage style of designing. If you have a theme, let's say you have a very modern theme or a classical theme, vintage theme, then this set will definitely attract you because of the design, overall design. If you see, this is a kind of a boat-shaped bed where you have a hull and the back you can see here. A lot of people also call vintage furniture like Victorian furniture because Victorian furniture is from that era.
Okay.
And made in solid teakwood. I'll show you all of these items one by one. Let's start with the bed itself.
Ashish ji,
Yes,
as you mentioned about size difference in India and US, so what is the actual size of this bed?
In beds, when we talk about size, it's not the actual unit size, it's the mattress size that we count as king size, queen size, or super king size, eastern king size, super deluxe size. Every country has got their own size chart, and that we have displayed on the website as well. Eastern king size is 76 inches left to right and 80 inches front to back. So it's a little bigger than the regular king size. In India, king size is 72 by 78. So it's 4 inches bigger like this and 2 inches bigger like this. So a little bigger. And then we also have California King and other sizes. If you require, we can make that. About the overall size we talk about, the back height is almost 5.5 feet. Just a couple of inches short, 64 inches back height. And then we have the outer frame. And along with this, we have got two side tables. If you can please open the drawers and show how the side table looks. It has got 3 drawers. One. Then we have it the middle one. And the third. It is 27 inches left to right. Height is 27 inches. Front to back 18 inches. Made in teakwood and walnut gloss finish.
And here we have a vintage style dressing table made in teakwood. And Ashish ji will tell us more about this.
Sure, ma'am. This is 5 feet left to right and front to back this is 18 inches. The frame is 4 feet by 4 feet high and this platform is 30 inches from the ground. Again made in teakwood, walnut finish, gloss finish. The glass is already fitted because this one is going to US and is going in a container. So when we have container load, we generally send along with the glasses as well. In India, we do not provide the fragile items like marbles, granite and glasses and mirrors because these are very easily available everywhere and can be easily procured and can be done on site. But for US, we can do this when we have a container load. And in this dressing, we have got a lot of storage as you can see here. Ma'am, if you can open a couple of drawers and show. So a lot of drawers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 in the middle, 4 on the sides, all a quite good storage area. And again, made as per the client's specifications, what they wanted, we have created it, and the final output is right in front of you.
So let's move on to the display unit, another piece of vintage furniture. And Ashish ji will tell us about the size and all the details of this.
So ma'am, this is 6 feet left to right, total height is 7.5 feet, front to back this is 22 inches, and you can see we have got 2 doors. If you can open that one, ma'am, please.
Sure.
So here we have one door, the other one is here. In the middle we have got another door, but it has got carving, and then we have a lot of storage underneath. So we have got 2 panels, one here, one on the other side, and 3 drawers in the middle, again made in teakwood, walnut finish, gloss finish, and the sizes as per the client's requirement.
Ashish ji,
Yes, ma'am.
we have been making so many videos about different furniture. So according to you, what is the best part in our furniture?
Ma'am, quality is one thing definitely, and the brand of Aarsun. Apart from this, what I consider best is that these items are handmade, made by artisans, and it involves actual real people. It's not made by any machine. So when real people are involved, they get work. and every time you give us order, you add a couple of more guys to the work. And that is why so many people in our place, in our city, are getting work since we have started promoting this online. And we have made so many videos. Everybody is going across the globe. We are already delivering to 55 plus countries.
Yeah.
So many people are buying our stuff, and so much work is getting generated. So definitely good for economy, good for the local artisans, their families, and you will be surprised to know earlier these artisans were leaving the work when this modern furniture and Chinese furniture have completely taken over the market. Everywhere you see plain furniture and then light furniture and very simple furniture was there, all imported from China. And these artisans started losing their work. So their children were looking for another options.
Yeah.
And now these people are training their children, their generations, and further generations are getting more work. So it's definitely a good point for us.
Yeah, that's very nice. Sir,
Yes, ma'am.
my another question is, how can client differentiate between Aarsun and other vendors?
Ma'am, there are a few points I like to mention here. See, when we work on a brand name, then definitely we have to provide quality.
Yeah.
Because nothing really beats the quality stuff. And when someone gets good stuff, definitely they will let other people know
Yeah,
that we have got good stuff, and you can also. And that's why we have so many reference clients. People refer to us, and that's why we get clients from across the globe. More than our marketing, the referral marketing is much better. The second point is about the price factor. See, people who are in big cities, they have got factories, they have got labor, and cost is always higher in bigger cities because they're expensive. The rents are higher, the labor is costlier. We are in a small city, and here our expenses are quite less as compared to those people.
Okay.
So if you compare us with the let's say Delhi market, Kirtinagar, or you compare us with Hyderabad or Bangalore or with another big city, our charges, our cost is much lower than these big cities. And that's why we are able to make good quality furniture at very low prices as compared to those people. And obviously the art we have is uncomparable. You will not get this high quality, this high fine carving anywhere across the globe, because this is made by master artisans who have gained this experience over the years. And it's been 40 years we are in this business, and we have promoted this art across the globe.
And we deliver globally, in India and out of India, wherever you are. So please contact, the number is right in front of you. We will be happy to talk with you. Thank you.
Thank you.